Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I have a whole table filled with groceries and lots of laundry stuff. Some awesome Kroger deals right now. We started a new 5x digital coupon event. I just walked around the store, got pictures of everything for all of you, and noticed so many deals at Kroger. It is insane. So yeah, you've got to get out there and get some of these deals right now. If you haven't already seen my couponing deals video, be sure to check that out. I talked about these laundry items and how I was able to get them for $2.40 for everything. So I'm not going to go over that again, but if you click that little eye in the top right corner, I'll have a step-by-step scenario on how you can grab all these laundry care items for $2.40. So yeah, let's just dive right in. I'm going to work my way through here. We have the Success Rice. It was on a clearance for $1.29. The tea bags, this is full price at $1.19. Snack packs, my dad just likes these for his lunch. They're $1. The peaches were 67 cents a pound. The lean cuisines, I always get a lot of frozen meals, but the main reason is my dad really likes these for his lunch, and he used to go out to like Wendy's every day. So it's a lot cheaper to pay $1.50 for these. I know that you probably could get stuff for cheaper, but I think it's a good price. It's cheaper than him eating out. So these were $1.50, and the smart ones were also $1.50 after the 5x digital. My mom likes these Garden Lights meals. They were $1.99 after the 5x digital coupon. The So Right Creamy Chicken Corn Casserole, I really enjoy these. These are on clearance for $1.23. The Kroger Sour Cream was $1.29. It had a 50-cent 5x digital, so awesome price there, 79 cents. I bought 8 of these Uncle Ben's Ready Rice. They were, how much were they? They were $1.79 with $1 off 2 5x coupons. So I picked up 8 of them. I used $1 off of 4 printable. I had 2 of those. So I ended up making these like $1 each, which is a really good deal. The Quaker Chewy bars and the Chewy dips and some other Quaker bars, they are 99 cents with the 5x coupon, so great. And I'm really kind of upset. I love Cinnamon Life. I got 2 cinnamon. I accidentally picked up an original, which is annoying, but oh well. They were $1.49 after the 5x digital coupon. The Hebrew National hot dogs, they were $2.99, and I had, oh, that was it. They're just $2.99, but still, that's pretty good for those. Okay, and this was good on the Skinny Pop Puffs. They were $2.49 after the 5x coupon. I had a $1 manufacturer's coupon and a $1 savings starts, 49 cents. Really good. The Kroger Kettle Chips, they were 99 cents after the 5x digital coupon. These Carb Counter tortillas, they were $1.89. I had a $1 off 2 digital coupon, so those are $1.39. But if you like the regular tortillas, which I totally forgot to grab a picture of in the store, they're $1 and there's that $1 on 2 digital, so it ends up making them 50 cents. That's crazy. If you have that digital coupon. The stevia, my mom just ran out of it. It was $3.99, which I know is a really bad price, but in the big scheme of things, all these items were so cheap, it was all good. The Oscar Mayer deli meat, my mom wants the natural kind. They were $3.79, a lot, but you know, we get what they want. The Ore-Ida fries were $1.99. It was a great deal. And then I got the Kroger baby carrots. They were $1.29. I had a 40-cent digital. And then this is probably not the best, but the fajita mix was $2.99, and we had to have a quick dinner for tonight, so we just grabbed them. So everything here was about $90, which I don't think is bad at all. Less than that, actually. So crazy, crazy deal on all these products at Kroger right now. So yeah, if you haven't already seen my other Kroger videos, be sure to check them out, and I will insert this laundry scenario at the end as well for you to check out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.